Hi everyone, so I'm happy to report that this Sunday my Form 4 came back approved. It was an E-form and this was an individual Form 4. And yeah, let's do a quick unboxing video. So I got an Energetic Armament Ferox, and this is a relatively new company, and one of the reasons I got this can was because everything else was sold out on Silencer Shop. This was one of the few cans still available. But these guys are very active also on Reddit. So if you go on the NFA subreddit, you could find posts from them sharing their engineering process and how they manufacture these. And also, if you have questions, you could also reach out to them on Reddit and they'll respond. So let's take a look. Alright, so inside you have the instruction manual. This comes with direct thread adapter from the factory. This is a 556 can. Alright, so inside you have your can, and this one came in FDE, and again, direct thread adapter, and so far looks pretty good. The finish looks okay and has a good weight to it. So let's take a look at what else comes in here. So this is a pack of anti-seize. Okay, great. It also comes with the wrench tool, which is nice. So comes with the tool and also a vice block, which is pretty important because this can is hub compatible. So you can take your adapters from SiCo. I'm gonna use the ASR mount, or if you like chemo, you could swap out their adapter for the adapter of your choice. So I'm going to do that. And device is very important because you have to torque the adapter down to spec, and also might not be a bad idea to apply some Broxet to it to secure it in place. Okay, so just a quick video. In the future, I'm going to do a more in-depth review of this can. And the rumors are true. This can only took 15 days for it to come back approved. So if you can find cans in stock right now, I would recommend that you get it because the wait times are much shorter. So that's it. Thanks for listening, and bye.